Hi students, today's topic is setting up the board. Under this, reading the values from the sensors. The topic. Topic number is 2.3. Yes, in previous video also we got it explanation setting up the board. Once again we will repeat here also. For that we have to select the development board. The development board is nothing but an electronic board which consists of processors or controllers or and also IoT devices and sensors. All these things connected on the board called development board or electronic board. Choose a suitable board based on the project requirements. For example, we can select Arduino Uno for simple projects, or we can select ESP32 for Wi-Fi based IoT applications. Prototype projects we can do it. ESP32 we can choose for Wi-Fi based projects. Now what you have to do? Second step, install the required software. Here IDE software we have to install. Install the software, use it to write and upload the programs to the board. So what for this one? IDE software to write and upload the programs to the board. Example, what software? Arduino IDE for Arduino Uno and ESP32, it is suitable. Now, connect the board to the computer. Computer means here laptop only. That we have to understand. Use a USB cable to connect the laptop and provide the power as usual. So, example, connect the ESP32 to your laptop using USB cable via power. Okay. Next step is select the board and one communication port. Here COM port and communication port. For this, what you have to do? Choose the correct board model number and communication port number in the IDE software. IDE software. For example, easy to understand. Here, select ESP32 development module, that is circuit board or controller, and port number COM. It will display 5 also, COM 5. That you have to check it in the checkbox, the enable it. Next, we have to check the test the board also. For that, what we have to do? We have to upload simple program to confirm that the board is working neatly, correctly or not. For that, we have to what we have to do? We have to upload some program. For example, if you want to blink the LED every 1 second, like previous topic, here also upload the blink program and check whether the LED blinking or not every 1 second depends upon the given value at that time. Next, main thing is according to our title, we have to learn reading values from sensors. That one, how to display the sensors values. That is important here. For that, what you have to do, connect the sensor. Connect the sensor means here connect the sensor pins to power and also ground and also input pin of the board. That is important. Example, what you have to connect here? Take temperature sensor. The temperature sensor number is DHT11. Connect DHT11 temperature sensor pins to an ESP32 controller. Next, what you have to do next step? Install the sensor library. For that, what you have to do? Some sensors require a software library to communicate with the board. For that purpose, to communicate with the board purpose, we have to we require software library. Example, what you have to install here? Install the DHT sensor library in Arduino IDE software. It is available. That we have to install it. After installing, you have to write one program. What for? To get the sensor values, we have to read it, and it has to be those values should be displayed on the screen. For that, step number 8, write the sensor reading program. For that, we have to write code to collect values from the connected sensor. Example, read temperature and humidity every 2 seconds once. For that purpose, that is to be displayed on the according to sensor data. So, for that, what you have to do, show the measured values on the serial monitor. that is the output device. Maybe LCD, maybe LEDs display. So on the display, we will get like this. Temperature is equal to 28 degrees centigrade. Humidity is equal to 65 degrees. Like that, it will display on the screen. Next, what is the next process? Final process. Sensor data should be processed. Compare the displayed value, that is sensor value, with a predefined limit and take action accordingly. For example, if temperature exceeds 30 degrees centigrade, your room temperature, then what controller ESP32 will turn on the fan. In that way, problem will be solved using IoT prototype projects. Okay, bye.